Hi kids! Today, we're going to draw a cute and silly monkey together. If you're ready, let's go! First, we start by drawing the head. Monkeys have funny, curious faces. They love looking around the jungle. Now let's draw the eyes. 2 big round eyes. Make them big and cute. Monkeys are very curious animals. They are always looking for yummy fruit or fun things to play with. Let's add the eyebrows. You can make them silly, surprised, or happy. Now draw a small nose. Let's draw a big smile. Monkeys love to play and have fun. Baby monkeys play just like kids do. They jump, chase each other, and swing from trees. Now draw 2 round ears on the sides. Monkeys have very good hearing. Some monkeys are very loud. Did you know the howler monkey is one of the loudest animals in the jungle? Now let's draw the body. Make it small and cute. Monkeys are very good climbers. They live in warm places like Africa, South America, Asia. They love tall jungle trees. Let's draw the arms. Make them long. Monkeys use their arms to swing from branch to branch. Some monkeys, like the spider monkey, even use their tail like an extra hand. That's like having a super tail. Now draw the legs. Strong little legs for jumping and climbing. Did you know monkeys don't only eat bananas? They also eat fruits, leaves, seeds, and nuts. The capuchin monkey is very smart and can even use rocks to break open nuts. Monkeys are clever animals. Don't forget the tail. Draw a long, curly tail. Monkeys use their tails for balance, and some monkeys can hang from trees with them. Is your tail curly or straight? Now it's time to color our monkey. What color will you choose? Color the face. Color the body. color the tail. Take your time and color nicely. Wow, your monkey looks amazing. Give yourself a big clap. If you had a pet monkey, what would you name it? See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye, little artists.